In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Python on your Visual Studio Code. So first open command prompt and type python -- version. So if you have Python installed on your computer, it will show you something like this. If not, it will show you an error like this. So to download Python, you need to go to python.org, then click downloads, then download Python on any system you have. And obviously we need VS Code. If you don't have it already, go to the official website and download it. Next we jump to VS Code and click extensions and search for Python from Microsoft. And finally we need an extension called code-runner to run our Python code. Next create a Python folder, then a new file, name it whatever you want. For example, test. Now let's try it. For example, let's print hello world. As you can see, the code is running on terminal. For you, most likely it will appear on output and you need to change it. Why? For example, if your code requires an input, you can't write on output, okay? But if it's on terminal, you can do that. So how to change that? Down in the corner, click on the settings icon and choose settings. Then search for code actions on save and click edit in settings.json. Then you need to paste this command here. I'll put it down in the description below so you can copy. And now you're ready to start your journey with Python. And this is it, guys. See you next time.